Sometimes life feels overwhelming. There's too much to do, too many decisions to make, too many steps ahead. But the truth is, you don't have to figure it all out at once. You just need to take one small step at a time. Wake up, breathe, and focus on today. Not next week, not next year, just this moment. Maybe it's getting out of bed, taking a short walk, or simply being kind to yourself. You don't need to solve everything today. It might seem small, it might feel slow, but it matters. Honestly, doing nothing hurts way more than actually doing something. Every step forward is progress, and over time, these tiny steps add up. One day, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. Just one step, just one day. That's all you need to focus on right now. You are moving forward, even if it doesn't feel like it yet. You're doing better than you think. The most important thing is to keep going.